Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a flip through of this journal that I made. The kit name is Paris in My Heart, so I had to use my little Paris brooch. Isn't that so pretty, so sparkly? And this is by Forever Moments Design. She is on Coffee. Her link will be down below. She's on YouTube as well, but to get her kits and her freebies is in her coffee shop. You also get Friday freebies if you're in our group. She does some beautiful Friday freebies for us. So the link to our group will be down below as well. So go over and join and make sure you answer those 3 questions, you know, that every group has to have to make sure you're a legit person. And I want to cut this off. This too. Alright. Isn't this pretty with this lace like this? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let's take this brooch off. And then we have this so soft. It is, I believe, chenille. So soft. So here we have the journal. That's my stamp. I used this fabric, and then I put I used this gold fabric, and then I used this sheer shimmery gold over the front here, and it has a little flower there. I also stitched the cover because I just love that look. And then we have this here and beautiful laces inside the journal. Isn't that pretty? So we have this lace here. Just thought it went real pretty with that. And we have a heart here, perfect for writing. And this is a writing journal. I know a lot of my journals are just a pretty journal that you look at, but this one has a lot of writing space. It's a beautiful digital kit. We have Paris here with some lace. And then we have pockets, and we did some gold leafing and some gold paint. And I also did texture paste with stencils on a lot of the tags. And then we have some journaling cards. I definitely thought that gold went really well with this kit. So here's a heart pocket, and again we have the gold paint on the tag, and I used some avocado dyed paper, and I'm running low. I need to get busy and do some more. So if you notice with the lace, they're gradually higher, or bigger I should say. So there's 4 different laces, and they're gradually bigger, kind of like a waterfall of lace. And it's just a beautiful kit. We've got Paris there, another heart pocket with a few fun things that you can decorate the journal even more so, or right on the back of the tags. Here we have this. And again, we have the gold around that, on that tag. And there's plenty of writing on this avocado dyed paper. So pretty. And then this is hanging over the top, and you can put something in there. And this is this lace. It's got this pretty pink incision lace in that. And then this is, we have a few of these in here. And we have another tag. And these are for writing. learned how to make these a long time ago from Heather at Rose Hill Paper Cottage. She does a version of that. And here's another one, and here's the back of this. Isn't that pretty? It's the same as that. And we have a little heart here. And then here's the center. Look at this pretty flower lace with the sequins and the pearls. And then here's another one. We have a heart and a couple of things there. And it's on rose paper. And another envelope here. Beautiful digitals. So many pretty roses. And so many, Paris effects. Got some lace here with this. I just thought that was beautiful. There's another heart pocket. Another tag that has been embossed and has the gold around the edge. There's the Eiffel Tower. Another pocket. Again, with the gold and with the texture base. And here's the back. These big hearts are so much fun. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. It is a fun kit. And like I said, the link to her coffee shop will be down below. And you can go check out all of her kits and her freebies that she has in there. So thanks for hanging out with me today. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.